it's your favorite.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Caramel. Happy birthday to you.
Just blow it out.
Come here, Caramel. Come here. Ready? Caramel, can you speak?
Caramel, sit. Caramel, sit.
Count it.
Caramel, sit.
Sit.
We're going to have to blow out the candle.
There we go. Yeah, she's nervous with the candle. There we go.
There's your birthday cake.
There's your birthday cake, Caramel.
You can eat it. No, you eat it.
Come here.
Yeah.
Caramel, eat your cake.
Come on, it's your cake. Then you won't get your present.
Here's your birthday cake.
See, I said she's licking the icing.
Yeah.
Is it yummy, Caramel?
It's yours. You can eat it.
Go. Okay, now get present.
Is it moving?
Is that yummy, Caramel?
You guys did a good job baking her cake today, girls. See, she loves it.
Sugar, yeah. One big.
And Caramel is big already. She's grown all that she can.
And now she can grow again.
Yeah. Do you know how old Caramel is?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Right. She's 8 years old.
If you do 5 here
Yeah.
and 2 here, then it's 8.
Try again. 5 there, and how many fingers do you have there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah.
6, 7, 8.
Yeah. So 5 on one hand, and how many on the other? 3. So 5.
She ate all her icing.
Well, that's the best part. Isn't that how you eat your cake too?
Nope. My seasoning cake, I ate all of it.
Yeah. You loved it.
I turned 4.
Yeah, you did. And how old are you, Claire?
I don't know.
You don't know.
You're free. But you can turn 4.
Look at Caramel.
Are you 4?
She loves her cake.
Can we have a piece?
It took you a long time to eat that.
A couple minutes.
One kind of have some.
You want to taste some of Caramel's cake?
That was a big bite,
That
Caramel.
was a big bite. Almost too big at the end, right?
That last one was just a little bit too big for you.
There you go. How was that, Pop? You can have another piece tomorrow.
Yeah, she can have another piece of my
Oh, is
cake.
that some icing? Yeah.